I'm gonna reveal the one letter that instantly gives away every English speaker learning Spanish. But first you need to know why 90% pronounce it completely wrong. Hola, I'm the Spanish Knight, your Spanish coach. And in the next few minutes, you'll master this letter and sound like you've been speaking Spanish for years. But there's a physical trick that Spanish teachers never teach. And I'll show you exactly how to do it in a minute. But before that, let me tell you a story. Last week, my student Mark from Chicago was so excited. He said, "Angel, I finally learned how to roll my R's." Then he sent me a voice message saying, "Me gusta el jamón." And oh boy, he sounded like he was trying to clear his throat while ordering ham. The problem wasn't his R, it was his J. And it happens to 9 out of 10 English speakers because they think the Spanish J is like the English J in jam. Wrong. Or they learn Latin Spanish and pronounce it like the English H in house. Also wrong for Spain. But Mark's biggest mistake was something I'm going to show you in a few minutes. Here's what Mark was doing wrong. Listen to the difference. English speakers say jamón, like jam, jamón. Latin Spanish, jamón, like house. Spanish from Spain, jamón, jamón. Hear that? The Spanish J is made deep in your throat, like you are about to gargle mouthwash. But don't actually gargle. Your neighbors will think you're weird. Now I'm gonna teach you the exact technique, but first, let's practice identifying it. Stay with me. I'm going to say words with the Spanish J. Every time you hear it, make the sound with me. Ready? Jamón. Your turn. Ojo. Perfect. Trabajar. Excellent. Genial. You're starting to hear it. But here's the thing. Hearing it, it's only 20% of the battle. The real secret is in the physical technique that I'm about to show you. Here's the physical trick that changes everything. Place your tongue at the bottom of your mouth, completely relaxed. Now breathe out from deep in your throat like you are fogging up a mirror, but add voice to it. Jamón, jamón. Feel that? The sound comes from here. Not from here, but from here. Mark practiced this for 10 minutes and immediately sounded Spanish. But there's one more thing that makes all the difference, which is context. This J sound appears in super common words. Jamón, ojo, trabajar, jefe, jugar. Master this sound and you'll sound native in these everyday conversations. By the way, do you know how Spaniards laugh? And it's not ha 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 ha. It is ha 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 ha. Perfect. Now you can pronounce the J like a Spaniard, but it's useless if you greet people wrong. 90% of students use the wrong greeting for the wrong time of day, and Spanish people notice immediately. So in this video, I'll show you the greeting mistakes that scream tourist and the ones that make you sound local from day one. Subscribe if you want to master Spanish pronunciation and download my free pronunciation guide in the description below. I'm the Spanish Knight, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!